Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Instagram Ingress Timeout error. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing Ingress Timeout error while logging to your Instagram account, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to remove all your background running apps. Just close all this. After that, you need to open your Play Store, then type your Instagram. If your Instagram app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then try the other methods. Just open the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see your apps, just tap on the apps. Then here you need to search Instagram. Just tap on the Instagram. Once you need to tap on the force stop, tap on OK. After that, you can see your storage and cache. Just tap on that. Once tap on the clear cache. After that, tap on the clear storage. Before clicking OK, you have to make sure that you have remembered your Instagram user ID and password. If you have remembered your Instagram user ID and password, then you can tap on clear storage. Then tap on OK. Then your Instagram ID will be logged out. Again, you need to log in the Instagram ID from the Android app. Guys, after doing these settings, once you need to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram Ingress Timeout error. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.